Good morning friends and welcome back to another week in my life vlog. It is Tuesday today and I had work yesterday so I didn't bother starting the vlog then, but today is my day off and I'm very excited about it. I had the whole weekend off and then I worked yesterday and now I have today off again, so I'm just living my absolute best life. I have just gotten up, gotten ready, and I'm gonna head off to Zaraffa's to have a really productive editing session. I vlogged all weekend and I'm really excited to edit the vlog. Hopefully it turns out as good as I was trying to make it. Let's go get a coffee. I need it. I don't know why I actually just pulled out my camera because I have nothing to say, but I've made it to Zaraffa's and I'm gonna go in and edit. I brought my cup. I actually forgot my cup and I drove down my street and then I turned around and went back and got my cup. I'm so bad at remembering it. I think I just need to like wash it and then keep it in my room, because if I just keep it in the kitchen cupboard, I'm never gonna remember to bring it with me. This is just a random clip of nothing. Let's go edit and drink coffee. Good morning friends, it is now Thursday. I've sucked at vlogging this week, I apologize. It's currently just before 9 AM and I'm just at the flower markets. I just went in and bought some flowers. I bought some sunflowers and baby's breath. I bought 2 sets. One is for one of my friends who isn't having the best time at the moment and I just wanted to pop over and get them some of their favorite flowers. And then the other set is for me because I drove all this way for flowers and I was like, I may as well pick myself up some sunflowers. But now I'm gonna head home, drop this off at their house. I'm gonna go home, have some breakfast. I'm gonna edit for a little bit this morning at home and then I have work at 2 until 9:30. That's that. Good morning friends, it is Monday morning. I think it's just past 8 AM and I've just sat down. I'm gonna do my makeup for work. I'm just gonna give you a rundown of my weekend and my last 48 hours. Saturday, I had the day off, so I was just chilling out. I watched the Hannah Montana movie in bed. I had lunch with some friends. I just lived my best life. Sunday, I was bedridden all day with a bucket next to my bed. I literally didn't feel like a human being. Every time I got up to move, I thought I was gonna die. So I just haven't been feeling like a human for the past 24 hours and I'm very excited to just do my makeup. I've washed my hair. Just excited to feel like a human again. I woke up this morning feeling way better, which was so good because like I don't know what I was gonna do if I had to call in sick because no one could have covered my shift. Here we are, gonna go to work for my classic 10 to 6 shift. I'm just so happy to not feel like death anymore. Hey friends, it's currently 20 past 6 and I just got out of work. The day actually wasn't too bad. I still felt pretty sick, but being at work kind of just distracted me and I didn't just feel sorry for myself all day. But we had a really quiet day and we were really overstaffed. It was just one of those days. Managers, you would understand. I'm gonna head home. I'm gonna eat something for dinner. Maybe, I don't know if I can eat more. But then maths is on tonight and I'm very excited about it. You guys watching maths, comment down below who your favorite couple is. My favorite couple is Cam and Jules, like by far. They're my absolute favorite. I really like Martha and Mitchell, I think his name is. But I just feel like they're just faking it. But they're so beautiful. They're my 2 favorites. Very excited to watch that tonight. That's literally all my plans for tonight. And then I have a day off tomorrow, which I'm so excited about and I have so many things planned. So I don't know why that just turned into a mini life update. I'm gonna drive home. Skirty skirt. We just never felt like this before. I apologize if I'm moving too far, but it's ever fair for you and me. I've been dancing on top of cars and stumbling out of bars. I don't know the words yet, but it's such a wow. It's such a banger. You might be headed in the opposite direction, but I'd love to drive you home. It is now 9:45. I can't see properly. And I'm taking my makeup off. I mentioned that I haven't been feeling well, especially over the weekend. Gay and I went and got dessert and I definitely do not feel good after eating it. I hope that I wake up tomorrow feeling alright. If I don't, it's gonna be really bad because I have a lot of things that I plan on getting done tomorrow that involve me not feeling nauseous. Alright, well, I'm gonna finish taking my makeup off, hop into bed, get a good night's rest, ready for a really good day tomorrow, getting lots done. I'll see you bright and early tomorrow. Good morning friends, it is Tuesday. It's 20 past 10 and I've had a really productive morning so far. I feel like I've done a lot, but when I tell you what I've done, it's not going to sound like a lot. I filmed my everyday makeup routine this morning, so that'll be coming your way very shortly if it's not already up. I have no idea. I also showed you how I curl my hair in that video as well. So for everyone that's been commenting on my vlogs recently, asking how I curl my hair, that'll be my everyday makeup routine. I then tidied my room up a bit because I'm about to film a room tour. And while I was vacuuming my room, I was like, oh, I'll just vacuum the hallway. And then I realized how dirty our house was. So I ended up vacuuming the rest of the house, and then I cleaned the kitchen, and I just knew when you get in the groove of cleaning and you just can't stop, that's what I did. So now the house is clean and my room is clean. So now I'm finally going to film my room tour. Then I'm going to go film a drive with me. So it's just a real hustle morning. Basically at work, my shifts have been cut from 5 shifts a week to 4 shifts a week, which for a while I was like, sweet, get to relax a little bit. So I've just kind of taken this opportunity to really like get back into my YouTube channel and really make this a side hustle that it is. I'm going to try use my days off more wisely, be way more productive than I have been, and just try film as much as possible. I asked you guys for video recommendations on my Instagram and you guys sent in so many good suggestions, so I've got a list of videos to film. If you don't follow me on Instagram or you haven't let me know what videos you'd like to see, feel free to comment them down below on this video. I'm gonna film now. Good morning, it is now Wednesday. I was such a flop at vlogging yesterday, and it's just because I was being so productive. Like I had the best day yesterday. I filmed 3 videos, I edited a whole video, but because I was being productive using my camera, my battery was dying all the time and my SD cards were full all the time. So I was constantly trying to vlog, but I couldn't because my battery was charging, and then I was trying to vlog and then I couldn't because my SD card was in my computer and the other one was full, and it was just a mess. This means nothing to you, it's just a YouTuber problem. This week my goal for the gym is to go 6 times. I went for the first time this week last night. It was really good, and then I went straight to family dinner. Got home pretty late and I really struggled to fall asleep. I don't know why, I was just really awake, but I needed to be in bed because then I went to a class at 5:30 this morning, which was such a struggle to get out of bed. I put my phone across my room so that when my alarm went off at 5 AM I had to get out of bed to turn it off, and then I kind of stood there like a dead person for 2 minutes, and then I got ready for the gym and went. So glad that that's out of the way, and I'm trying to post on my Instagram story more about the gym. I don't know if you want to see that, but I love seeing it in other people, so that's what I'm trying to do. So I'll insert the Instagram stories I posted from last night and then this morning from the gym. Now it's 10 past 7. I came home from the gym, showered, I wrote my grocery list, and now I'm heading to Coles. Start off with stuff I got from the Scoop and Way. First of all, I got a big bag of chili rice crackers. These are my favorite. They taste so good. 10 out of 10 would recommend. And then I got 2 things that I haven't tried before, so I just got a very small amount of each. First one is these vegetable chips. I did get a normal packet of veggie chips because I like snacking on these, but these just looked really good. I tried to get one of each different vegetable chip. I'll taste this, see how it goes. If you see it in next week's haul, that means it was probably good. And the second one I got was just some trail mix. They have heaps of different trail mixes there, but this one just looked really yum, and I want to mix this in with some yogurts that I got. So I got 2 different ones. Again, I haven't tried these, I'm just kind of figuring my way through it. So I got a Greek yogurt mango flavor, and then I got a passion fruit flavor as well, and these are both like really high protein, good for you, I think. I got some hummus because I have some carrots that I want to eat hummus with, so I got some of that. I got some frozen pineapple for smoothies. I got some mini little cherry tomatoes. These are actually called sweet snacking tomatoes. I just want to pop these in a salad or in like a wrap in anything that I eat basically. I got a pack of green kiwi fruit. I love kiwi fruit and it's easy to just like eat with a spoon if I take it to work, so I got a pack of those. I got some deodorant and shampoo. I got some Carmen's granola. Rachel, I'm pretty sure, has this one. She said it was really good, so again I'm probably going to mix this with my yogurt. I also got some more Uncle Toby's breakfast bakes. Last week I tried the apple and cinnamon. This week I'm trying the honey and almond. I got some vanilla almond milk for my smoothies. I got a red capsicum, 3 navel oranges, 2 mangoes, a bunch of bananas, and then I actually got a different type of ice cream. So I normally get Halo Top, but Blue Ribbon has actually come out with low calorie ones as well, and these are like $6 instead of $10. I thought I would try it out. This flavor is the cookies and cream. I might actually taste it right now just to see. That actually tastes really good. And last but not least, I got a 4-leaf salad for my wraps, for salads, for just everything. And that's that. I think it's like 8 a.m. and I'm gonna put this all away. I'm gonna have breakfast. I'm gonna pack my lunch for work, and then I'm gonna do my makeup, get ready for work, go to work, and work my 10 to 6 shift. Really excited about it. I had such a productive morning. I've just arrived at work, but I feel like I've lived half a day already and I'm starting to get tired. It is only 10 a.m. and I have to work until 6. And then I have soccer training at 7. So why did I do this to myself? I don't know. But I'm gonna go into work my 8-hour shift. Love that for me. I'll chat to you later. And I could easily lose my mind.